This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by plugging in and setting the amp low so you can hear changes safely. Once done, set your guitar volume to full to establish the bassline tone. This shows how pickups and amp color interact. Now play a few chords and rotate the guitar volume down slowly to hear the signal clean to warm transition. Make sure to listen for noise or crackle. If present, check the cable and jack before proceeding. Once you've found the bassline, use gradual turns to shape tone. Roll from 10 to about 6/8 to reduce gain and add warmth, or down to 3/5 for a cleaner sound. As you do this, vary your picking strength. Softer attack plus less volume cleans the signal without losing dynamics. Also make sure to blend pickup positions and the tone knob. Together they change harmonic content, so small adjustments can yield big tonal differences. You finish by setting the performance level. Dial the guitar volume so it sits in the amp's sweet spot and mark that position if you need to return quickly. For expressive swells, practice back-of-hand turns and combine with a volume pedal for smoother crescendos. If you run into problems, scratchy pot, intermittent signal, or level drops, stop and clean the potentiometer with contact cleaner, test a different cable, and inspect solder joints. These quick fixes resolve most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.